Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a Costco UK membership card. First things first, open any preferred web browser you want to use. Next, go to the search bar and type in Costco Membership UK. From the search results, click on the one that says Select Costco Membership to access the official membership page. Once you're on the membership dashboard, you'll see different options like Executive Gold Star Membership and Gold Star Membership. Each one has its own benefits and features. If you want the Executive Gold Star membership, just click Start Saving and Earning. This will take you to a form where you'll need to enter your full name, date of birth, postcode, and other personal details. After agreeing to the terms and conditions and completing the form, just proceed by clicking Continue to finish your application. And that's it. That's how you apply for a Costco UK membership online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.